Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's flood bulletin. The accumulated rainfall over the past 7 days, as recorded by the IMD network, is displayed on the screen. The latest rainfall data received through the CWC and IMD observation networks indicate significant rainfall activity over the following regions: Konkan and Goa, Kerala, coastal Karnataka, sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Uttarakhand, and Himachal Pradesh. The highest rainfall of 230 mm has been recorded at Mathiran in Raigad district of Maharashtra. As per the current flood status, none of the river is flowing in extreme flood situation, while river Dhansiri in Assam, rivers Gandak and Kosi in Bihar, rivers Minachil, Pamba, Manimala and Achankovil in Kerala are flowing in severe flood situation. Now, let's discuss today's CWC advisory based on the IMD's forecast and the data received from the CWC's Hydrological Observation Network. In state Kerala, in view of the forecast of very heavy rainfall over Kerala, a significant rise in river water levels and above normal flood conditions are expected in the rivers of northern Kerala, including Uppala, Shirya, Chandragiri, Chittari, Valapatnam, Kuttiyadi, Kabini, Chaliyar, and other west flowing rivers across Kasargod, Kannur, Kozhikode, and Mallapuram districts during 3rd to 4th August. Water levels are also expected to remain elevated, with above normal to severe flood conditions continuing in the downstream reaches of the Karuvannur, Gayatri, Kicheri, Chalakudi, Periyar, Manimala, Minachil, and Achanakovil rivers, along with the tributaries affecting Thrissur, Ernakulam, Kottayam, Alappuzha, and Pathanamthitta districts during the same period. Residents in vulnerable areas are advised to remain vigilant and follow the advisories issued by the local administration. Now, in state West Bengal, based on the forecast of heavy to very heavy rainfall, river water levels are expected to rise, leading to above normal to severe flood conditions in the Teesta, Rangpo, Mahananda, Jaldhaka, Sankosh, Raidak, and Torsa rivers. The districts likely to be affected include Darjeeling, Kalimpong, Jalpaiguri, Kuch Bihar, and Alipurdwar from 3rd August to 4th August. People are advised to stay alert. In state Assam, in view of the forecast rainfall over East Kameng, Papom Pare, and East Siang districts of Arunachal Pradesh, a rise in river water levels and above normal flood conditions is expected in the Ranganadi, Subansiri, Dikrong, and Lohit rivers along with their tributaries. The affected areas include Viswanath, Dhemaji, Lakhimpur, and Tinsukia districts of Assam during 3rd August to 4th August. A significant rise in river water levels, accompanied by above normal flood conditions, is also anticipated in the I, Champamati, Sankosh, and Gorang rivers in Kokrajhar district during the same period. Residents in vulnerable areas are advised to remain alert. Now, in state Jammu and Kashmir, in view of the heavy rainfall forecast over Jammu and Kashmir, authorities are advised to remain alert for above normal flood conditions in the Chenab, Tavi, and Ravi rivers along with their tributaries. The districts likely to be affected include Riaisi, Punch, Rajouri, Ramban, Udhampur, Jammu, Kathua, Doda, and Kishtwar from 3rd August to 4th August. Local residents of these districts are advised to stay alert. With this, today's flood bulletin comes to an end. For the latest updates on river water levels and flood forecast, viewers are requested to visit the websites displayed on the screen. Stay informed, stay safe, and we will meet you again in the next bulletin. Thank you.